Hello, and welcome to this tutorial using the AnyList app. AnyList is an app for sharing lists, managing recipes, and creating meal plans. In this video, we will learn how to add a recipe to our AnyList account. AnyList is available for free as a mobile version in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Paying subscribers may also access a web version of the app. I will be using the web app today, but your experience with the mobile version will be similar. First, we will navigate to AnyList in our browser. Next, select Sign in the upper right corner. If you do not have an account, you will first need to download the iOS or Android app to create one. Do so and return to this sign-in screen. Enter your account information and log in. This will bring you to your account page. If you have not already, you can purchase a subscription here to access the web version. If you have already subscribed, select Launch AnyList for the web. A direct link to this would also be anylist.com/web. If it is your first time signing in, you will be shown a helpful tutorial. The home page will default to the last app section you visited. If it does not default to it, select the Recipes option on the left. There are two main ways to add a recipe to your account. You can manually add it by selecting the three dots menu here and selecting Create Recipe. This will open a new recipe pop-up, allowing you to enter information yourself by selecting each option. This option is good for family recipes or recipes you have created yourself. If you wish to add someone else's recipe to your account, the best method is through the Import Recipes from the Web option. Select this button to view instructions. You will be prompted to install a browser extension to add recipes. Click the prompt. This will bring you to a page listing all possible browser extensions. Click on the blue Install button and follow the instructions. Add the extension. This extension will be available in your browser now. Next, find the recipe you would like to import. I am importing a recipe from Alexandra's Kitchen, so I am navigating to her website. I specifically want to save her peasant bread recipe, so I searched for that. Now that you have the recipe pulled up, it's time to use the AnyList extension to save it to your account. Click on your extensions here. If you will use this frequently, it may be helpful to pin the extension to your browser. Once you select the AnyList extension, a new window will open with the recipe pulled into AnyList. You can select any portion of the recipe at this time to edit it. For example, ingredients or preparation steps. Once you have made any changes you want to, click Save. The pop-up window will close. Now return to your main AnyList tab. Exit out of this, and now you can find your recipe by searching for a keyword or by using an option under My Recipes. Here, you can view your imported recipe, check off ingredients as you buy or make the recipe, and add recipe ingredients directly to a shopping list you've created in the app. If you ever wish to edit a recipe, you can do so by selecting the three-dot menu and clicking on Edit Recipe. This menu also gives you the option to email or print the recipe, or add it to a meal plan stored in AnyList.